Hello everyone, I am Neha Kazi from Leelavati Lalji Dayal High School and College of Commerce. In our English grammar lesson today, we are going to talk about prefixes and suffixes. So let us see what these are. So first we'll understand that there are base words. So a base word is a word in its simplest form, which means we are not adding or subtracting anything from this word. So here a base word has nothing added to it. Do, heat, write, read, pack, all of these words are in its simplest forms. Okay, so those were our base words. Now let's see what prefixes are. So prefixes are added to the beginning of a base word. Pre means before. So before the base word, they change or clarify the meaning of the base word. So let's look at some examples and understand what prefixes are. Pre means before. I've already told you all this. Make a prediction about the story before you read it. I love watching movie preview. Then the next one is un. Un means not. So here, un plus happy. Now see, happy is in its simplest form. If we add the word un, it becomes unhappy, which means the opposite of happy. See, that is why it has been said that it changes the meaning as well. So sad stories make me feel unhappy. Comfortable becomes uncomfortable. The old sofa is very uncomfortable. Let us see some more examples. Re, when we are using the prefix re, it means again or back. So write will become rewrite. Cycle will become recycle. See, here cycle and write are in its simplest form. We have added a prefix to it. Correct? We have fixed a word before the base word. So that's your prefix. Let's see the next one. So im, in, non, they all mean not. So complete becomes incomplete, proper becomes improper, and stop becomes non-stop. Again, these words are in its simplest form. We have added a prefix to it. All right, let's proceed. We have the word sub. So marine becomes submarine. Way becomes subway. This is also a prefix. Now let us see what suffixes are. Pre, we have already seen. Prefix means you are adding before the base word, and suffixes means you are adding something after the base word, which means at the end of the base word. So suffixes are added to the end of a base word. They change the meaning of the base word. Same like prefixes were also changing the meaning. Sometimes a suffix will tell you what part of speech or tense a word is. Correct? So beautiful becomes beautifully. So beautiful is an adjective, beautifully is an adverb. So part of speech is what also it tells us about. Let us see the examples now. So we have S and ES, it means plural, which means more than one. So there are many girls in the class. See here, girl plus S, girls. How many sandwiches did you bring? So sandwich, ES you added becomes sandwiches. Let's see the next example. We add the word less, which means without. So this data is useless. See, use is your base word. We have added a suffix to it, that is less. So use less. Don't be careless about your studies. Care became careless. Let us see the next example now. So ed means your past tense. So mom baked cake for me on my birthday. See, your bake became baked. And teacher called my parents. Call became called. So we have added a suffix to it. And the next one we have is ER, which means a person who does something. So a carpenter makes furniture. Carpenter. A teacher teaches us not only lessons but also manners. So teach became teacher. All right. So students, you have to keep in mind that prefix means you write something at the beginning of the base word, and a suffix means you write something, which means you add something at the end of the base word. All right, students, that's all for prefixes and suffixes. I hope you all have understood the topic. Thank you so much.